Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by loading Classic Arcade or a single CPU ladder. This is how you reach bonus stages. Once you pick your fighter, focus on winning the opening round without stalling, because Test Your Might appears only after specific round wins. Make sure to pressure and finish the round decisively. Quickly learn your character's fastest light attacks and positioning, since speed matters in the bonus. Once done, stay ready at neutral. The game signals the bonus with a distinct prompt, so be prepared to enter the challenge immediately. After you've secured a qualifying round, watch carefully for the Test Your Might prompt that appears between fights. It's a short window, so act fast. When the prompt shows, press the indicated button to accept the challenge and you'll be moved to the bonus stage. In that stage, the objective is breaking an object by alternating inputs, rapid button presses, timed rotations, or the on-screen sequence, so adopt a rhythm and stick to it. If needed, reposition your fingers for sustained speed before the break begins. Now you're on the platform. Break the object by maintaining a steady, alternating input rhythm. Use 2 fingers and alternate to avoid fatigue, because consistent speed beats chaotic mashing. Make sure to keep thumbs or forefingers light and bounce, and watch the object's stress animation to gauge progress. When it flashes, keep the pace. If you miss the break, you simply retry in the next qualifying bonus. Adjust your grip, try a different input method, and warm up with practice presses to improve your breaking success next time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.